Welcome to Learn British English Language. Today we're going to go through the British pronunciation of different sports. I'll repeat each word twice and leave space for you to repeat after me after each word. Let's get started. Football. Football. Rugby. Rugby. Cricket. Cricket. Basketball. Basketball. Baseball. Baseball. American football. American football. Hockey. Hockey. Golf. Golf. Tennis. Tennis. Table tennis. Table tennis. Badminton. Badminton. Gymnastics. Gymnastics. Archery. Archery. Horse riding. Horse riding. Swimming. Swimming. Diving. Diving. Scuba diving. Scuba diving. Rowing. Rowing. Sailing. Sailing. Bowling. Bowling. Hiking. Hiking. Cycling. Cycling. Ice skating. Ice skating. Skiing. Skiing.